Concept number 10. We have two formulae. LCM of PQR equal to product of PQR into their HCF divided by HCF of PQ into HCF of QR into HCF of PR. And another formula is HCF of PQR equal to PQR into LCM of PQR whole divided by LCM of PQ into LCM of QR into LCM of PR. For example, using above formula, find the LCM of 6, 72 and 120. Solution. First, we will calculate HCF of each possible pair 1, 6 and 72. We get H1, that is HCF 1 equal to 6. From pair 2, 6 and 120, it is H2 equal to 6. And from pair 3, 72 and 120, HCF is 24. We have the product PQR equal to 5184. At HCF of PQR it is 6. Now we will calculate LCM of PQR. Taking the product into HCF of these three numbers whole divided by H1 into H2 into H3. P is 6, Q is 72 and R is 120 and their HCF is 6. H1 equal to 6, H2 equal to 6 and H3 equal to 6 into 4, that is 24. Now on calculating we get 360, which is the right answer. Thank you.